Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to operate the child locking system on the rear doors of a 2019 Toyota Hilux dual cab. So nice and simple, all we're going to do is open up the rear door. Just go ahead and give the interior door handle a bit of a pull, and you can feel there's a bit of tension there where it's actually operating the lock. But as you'll see down here, there's a little sticker with a padlock and a child in it, and then there's this lever below. All we're going to do is push that down, and now go ahead and try the door handle. You'll notice that it's actually lost all of that resistance. The exterior door handle will still work fine, but it has stopped any kids trying to open up the door. So to return it to normal, all we're going to do is flick that back up, and then you'll actually feel the tension come back into the handle and it'll operate as normal. So there we go, nice simple video for you. If you found that helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.